Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SABRENT USB 4 to 10 Gigabit Ethernet adapter. There are features include: upgrade your network speed. Say goodbye to slow transfers. The SABRENT USB 4 to 10 Gigabit Ethernet adapter adds a high-speed 10 GBE port to any compatible USB 4 or Thunderbolt 3/4 device, transforming your USB Type-C port into a powerful wired connection. Perfect for desktops, laptops, and portable gaming systems. Versatile compatibility. Enjoy top speeds up to 10 GB per SEC, with full backward compatibility for multi-gig, 5 GBE, 2.5 GBE, and gigabit networks. Ideal for file transfers, backups, media streaming, and low-latency gaming over a stable wired connection. Simple plug-and-play. Bus-powered with native or driver-based support on most major operating systems, just connect and go. No PCIe slot required, making it perfect for devices without expansion options. Durable, portable design. Constructed from aluminum alloy for improved durability and heat dissipation, keeping performance consistent during prolonged operation. Compact and lightweight for easy travel. Instant connection feedback. Surface-mounted LEDs display link and activity status so you can quickly verify connectivity and troubleshoot if needed. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.